In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn tasks into sprints in Notion. We'll start right inside a Notion page. First, go to the upper left corner of your workspace and click on Create. This opens up a fresh page or space where you'll be building your sprint system. You can give this page a name like Sprint Board or Team Sprints, so it's clear what it's for. Inside this new page, click into the body area where you can type. To quickly add a database, type a /, then the word database. Notion will show you a list of database options. This is the fastest way to bring up the database menu without hunting through the toolbar. From that menu, choose Database Inline. An inline database appears directly on your page instead of taking over the entire screen. This is useful because you can keep notes, context, or documentation above or below your sprint board while still seeing all your tasks. You'll now see a basic table with some sample columns. At the top right of this database, look for a small icon that looks like two horizontal lines or a settings style icon. Click on that. This opens up the Database Options panel where you can tweak how your database behaves. In that panel, click on More Settings. This is where Notion gives you advanced options, including ways to convert a simple table into a more powerful task management system. From the More Settings menu, choose Turn into Tasks. What this does is transform your simple database into a task database, adding useful properties like status, assignee, agile, and due dates, depending on your workspace defaults. You're still looking at the same table, but it's now optimized for managing work. Next, select Turn into Task Database to confirm. This ensures Notion fully recognizes this as a task-focused database rather than a generic table. Once that's done, your tasks are ready to be organized into sprints. Now, click on that same two-line icon again at the top of the database to reopen the settings. Go back into More Settings. This time, look for the option labeled Sprints. This is where you connect your task database to Notion's sprint features. Click on Sprints, and then choose Turn on Sprints. When you enable this, Notion adds sprint-related properties